Hi guys! We were sort of just kind of doing.
We were being Beyonce at Coachella.
How amazing was Beyonce at Coachella? Did anyone else watch?
Amazing.
If you went, you get 10 extra points, and you're gonna win the giveaway today. That's it. Just tell me who wins. I promise. No. Got me a dog in here. We're doing one potato. Facebook Live today. We're gonna make Asian chicken salad, but more important, possibly, is today's Gabi's publishing date on her book. So we're giving away Gabi's book, which is
very exciting.
Very exciting. There's a recipe in here that she kind of calls me out.
It's dedicated to Catherine. It's not. I didn't call you out. It was dedicated. There are recipes in the book that are dedicated to certain people in my life, and Catherine gets the sesame miso market salad in the salad section.
I love it. It may or may not be page 80 and 81.
I don't know.
Just in case you were wondering. So what's Gabi cooking is the giveaway today. It's also on Amazon. And we're going to make Asian chicken salad. Gabi can only stay for like 2 or 3 minutes because she's got to go off and be fabulous somewhere else.
Stop it.
I want to have a question.
We're taking that cookie dough to go.
What's the giveaway question?
Oh, the giveaway question.
Oh.
Well, it's about California. The California girl. You get to decide. What is the giveaway question?
What, if you could go anywhere in California, where would you go and what would you eat there?
Ooh, I love that. Where would you go?
Okay, where would you go?
If you could go anywhere in California, where would you go?
Where would you go?
Right now I'd go to I think I'd go to the Redwood Forest.
Okay.
I got it because right now I feel in my life I need a little bit of zen.
Yeah.
So I would go somewhere really peaceful with beautiful trees and so on and so forth.
That's so magical.
Yeah, that's how we roll.
I would go drink margaritas in Palm Springs.
Just saying. Or in San Diego. All right, so I think Gabi's going to stay another minute or two. But
I'm going to go.
You're going to go?
Started.
Oh, good. So cookbook. This is it. That's the end.
I love you.
I'll
see you later.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Good luck to whoever wins.
So we're going to be making Asian chicken salad, which Gabi will probably be eating after she's out and comes home, and she's going to be starving. And so this is the meal today. And I want you guys to look at the card because you can see what we've got going here. It is Asian chicken salad with scallion pancakes. Super delicious and easy. This is one of my favorite, especially as we're heading into summer, where we're looking for really simple recipes that you can eat inside. This is actually a great picnic recipe. I love it. We send you a little bit of flour, so I just put that there. I've got some chicken breasts going. I just want to show you because they're gorgeous. I want you to see them. I put them in. One potato, we send you the seasoning. Woo! Look at that gorgeousness. You ready for this, guys? You ready? Boom. Crispy. Look at that. And I'm just going to, you could cook these any way you want. You could put them in a slow cooker. You could put them in, you could put them in a crock pot. You could put them in your Instapot. You could put them in the oven with parchment paper. Really anything you want. I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to put these in the oven. But what's great about this recipe is that you can make your chicken, because it's Asian chicken salad, you can make it ahead in the day and then just have that chicken sitting around so that you can slice it up before dinner. It makes it super easy. The scallion pancakes, I have to say, are one of my kids' favorite things that we send from One Potato. They're super easy. You get the dough. I mean, look at that. Just big chunks of dough. This is a really good activity for getting kids involved. If you've never tried One Potato, we're in 8 states out west. So that's why our giveaway is perfect today, because it's all about what's Gabi cooking, living the California girl lifestyle, and that's what One Potato is. It's just fresh, easy, healthy, light meals. So I just make these pancakes. Look how easy this is. Don't be afraid to they can be beautiful, they can be ugly, you can make them small or big as you want. Just get a skillet going, nice and hot. Where's my oil? There it is. I like to do mine with just a little bit of oil just in my pan right there, just to heat it up. You want to get a little bit of color. And this meal mine feeds 5 people, but because we are a family of 5, but you guys know that with One Potato, bye, you can get 2 adults and every other child is 1 additional price. So just about $5 extra for each child, and you can get 2 meals or 3 meals a week, omnivore, vegetarian, gluten-free, or nut-free. And this is a fun meal to recreate if you don't live in one of our 8 states. But I'm just, look at this, guys. All right, you ready? Get that little sizzle going. That's how I like it. So don't forget, guys, we are doing the What's Gubby Cooking giveaway today if you want to get her cookbook. And if you guys have any questions, oh, I should tell you, leave a comment below telling me if you could go anywhere in California, where would you go? And especially you're going to see with One Potato in the coming months, we're going to be doing lots of like recipes that can be made inside or outside, really just like light, easy, fun, things that kids like and adults like, mom approved. If you're on, obviously, on the One Potato Facebook page, we were on KTLA the other day, and they did the most amazing piece on One Potato, just really showing how One Potato is completely different than other meal companies, because we're sending recipes that are perfect for adults and kids, and that's the whole point. We want to make, it's mom approved. That's the best part about One Potato, because 2 of the founders, myself and my partner Jenna, we're both moms, so we come up with these recipes, sending you organic ingredients, because we want to make sure that kids are eating the best foods possible and cooking with you. So you can see on all of the recipe cards, we have getting kids involved, cooking tips, encouraging kids to try new recipes, and we want, hopefully the kids are reading those tips. We're soon to be starting a kids program where we'll be sending kids badges that they can win by doing different things in the kitchen, like cooking, talking at dinner, about their day, different games, cleaning. I mean, how often, just send me a quote or a question or just a thumbs up if you would love for your kids to help clean up dinner or even set the table. But that's what we're always trying to do in our house. I try to empower our kids by just saying, like, get involved. I want you to like have little tasks in the kitchen. So with this Asian chicken salad, what's also great about it is it's very DIY. So anything that you want to do regarding, like, you want your salad, you can see all the ingredients. We send you all these ingredients. Everything is homemade. Nothing is from a can or a jar. It's all fresh, really like California farmers market food. That's part of the reason that I started the company, is that I just, even for myself, I didn't have time to be shopping and menu planning. Menu planning is actually, to me, is like the hardest part. I love getting my One Potato box on Tuesdays, because then I know I have dinner for the next few nights. I don't have to think about it, and it's something where I'm going to get a vegetable, a carbohydrate, a protein, really healthy, nourishing food. So I've just got my scallion pancakes here. Just give them a little twirl there, and they're just going to take a few minutes to cook. We've got the chicken going in the oven. And another thing with One Potato is we're always trying to cut down on packaging. We're trying to send reusable, recyclable packaging, so that you're not, you don't feel like you're having tons of extra, packaging that you're not going to use. And what's great is because One Potato is semi-prepared, you don't have to have 10, 15 different ingredients that you need to buy and use, because we've done things like make homemade dressing. We have like scallion pancake dip, which is amazing for your scallion pancakes. You can see the ingredient breakdown here, so you didn't have to buy all those ingredients. I mean, just look at the list of ingredients, because we're making it homemade and we're sending it right to you. And you can see this, look at this dip. My kids love, love, love dipping their scallion pancakes in that. It makes it, and honestly, between you and me, I love using it for dressing too. It's perfect. So that's our dressing, and then we send you, this is the other thing, instead of sending you whole radishes, we thinly slice them so that, sometimes kids will be like, oh, I don't want radishes, they're spicy. But if you have radishes, especially soaked in water, that takes out some of that spice, and we're sending it to you. They're all thinly sliced, so it makes it much, much easier. And look, I'm going to show you how delicious. They're like perfect. They're like no spicy, acidic taste or flavor. Okay, so I got fresh greens here, because we always look, moms and dads, everybody likes a little bit of salad. And let me show you. I'm going to even get a few more bowls. But you can see, like, let me turn this before I get the bowls. I want to show you our scallion pancakes. Because they're starting to, you can see how they start to get golden. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous color. Isn't that awesome? And if you guys have any questions about One Potato, I also added a discount code. So you can see the code above for 25% off your first box. So if you've never tried One Potato and you've been wanting to do it, or you have a friend who lives in one of our 8 states, you can just send them that code. Share this video. That's gonna, if you share this video, that'll also, with the giveaway, that's gonna help you out. So if you want to win the What's Gabby Cooking cookbook, today is her pub date. Just tell me in the comments below, where would you want to go in California? What interests you? I think it's San Diego, San Francisco, it could be Disney, it could be really anything you want. Let me grab another bowl because I want to put some of these crispy fried onions in it. I gotta show you that. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna put this is like what my kids love. I mean, these are delicious, these Crispies.
We have a question.
We have a question, hi.
Dorothy asks, what's the 8 states?
Hi Dorothy, so we're in California, Arizona, Nevada, Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Utah, and Colorado. Did I say that right? It's 8 states out west. And we're looking to move to the East Coast. So if you do live on the East Coast and you're waiting, you can sign up at onepotato.com and you're entered automatically into our giveaways. Every month you'll get an email. We do incredible giveaways. So you'll just get that one email telling you about the giveaway if you want to enter. But we're about to start our Mother's Day giveaway. We're actually doing our April giveaway, which is incredible. There's going to be several winners. It's for, there's bottles, there's a barbecue kit for you or dad. There's Anne-Marie skincare. So that's a really cool thing that's happening. And we're also doing, if you go on One Potato, you'll see if you take your One Potato box and your kids turn it into some kind of anything they want, craft project, whatever, and you post it on Instagram, you're entered to win our Earth Day contest. So Earth Day, which is next week. So you can see that got the scallion pancakes going here. Really beautiful and easy. And don't forget, also you guys, if you, we send free cookie dough. So in every One Potato box, you get organic chocolate chip cookie dough. And it's unbelievably delicious. You can, all organic ingredients, you can make it that night or you can even freeze it, which is easy as, it's nice, like sometimes on Sundays, if my kids go to Sunday school and they're supposed to bake cookies, sometimes I don't have, just saying, I don't have fresh time to cook or bake fresh cookies, so I just use the One Potato cookie dough. All right, so let me show you, look at these avocados. This is what's amazing. At One Potato, we only send you perfect avocados, right? But we've got 2 avocados for this meal, and again, that's like back to that California lifestyle. Avocados are very much part of our daily life and living in California, and that's why One Potato sends you lots of avocados. If you guys don't forget, if you want to enter the What's Gabby Cooking cookbook contest right now, tell me in the comments below where you would want to go in California. And if you guys have any questions about One Potato, you want to share it with friends, you've got the share button, and again, the discount code, if you've never tried it, 25% off your first box, and send it to friends. So look, so I took my knife and I scored it through the avocado, and now I'm just gonna scoop it right out, super duper easy. Whoop. And then I place it all over my salad. This is like, my kids will take turns trying to steal the avocado. That's why, luckily, we have 2 avocados. So we have a family of 5, so you get a little bit more food. With every child that you order, you get more food based on how many children you have. So you could order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It makes it very, very easy and exciting. So got the avocados, and the other thing about the One Potato meals is they're really balanced. We make recipes that we want kids and adults to like, but also that just feel like exciting, interesting, getting plenty of nutrients, because we're very health conscious and we want one potato families to be too. Okay, so I'm just going around.
We have a question.
Hi, who's asking a question?
Corey asked, when is the program for kids going to start?
We are working on it right now. We hope within the next few weeks, because we really believe that kids that are excited to get their boxes, have that badge program, will be more, week to week. They want to do more different jobs in the kitchen, including cooking and cleaning, and eating more foods, especially little kids. You guys can tell me. I'd love to hear what are your kids' favorite foods, or what do they like? What do they not like? That's always interesting. So look at this. Those scallion pancakes only took a few minutes to cook up. Beautiful golden. They're fluffy inside, but they are, definitely a one potato family favorite easily. And that's what we're trying to do. We want things that kids, adults, everybody really loves. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. So we've got our scallion pancakes, and you can see this is a full meal, to say the least. Oh, and then let me teach you a trick. So this is a Cara orange, really, really beautiful. I cut the top off of it, and then I cut the bottom off of it, and then we're gonna cut around the sides. So you can see this way, it's just super easy. You could also peel it and just cut it into sections, but when you do it like this, it's just much more beautiful. Cut it in big, beautiful circles. Really, really simple. Okay, let me show you this. Try to get all that white pith off, although a little bit's not gonna hurt you. Okay. Right around. And don't forget, we're almost finished, you guys. I would love for you to tell me where's your favorite place? Where do you want to go in California? So getting excited. We were talking about Coachella all day today. I can definitely tell you, I wish I had been in Palm Springs this weekend, even though we were just chilling out as a family. But did anyone go? Did anyone leave Kira, did anyone say they went? Mm-mm. No, I guess. Yeah, maybe not the crowd. I did have a lot of friends that brought their kids this year, which I was like, that's kind of amazing. But you can see I'm just taking the Cara orange, and look how beautiful. Cara, if you've never tried a Cara orange, it has this beautiful pink flesh, and it's so incredibly sweet. Ridiculously sweet. Okay, so just slice it like this. All right. Hello, you. All right, so I'm just gonna slice it up. And we've got 2 more minutes, guys, so if you wanna enter the What's Gabby Cooking giveaway for the cookbook, you can leave a comment below telling me where you would wanna go in California. And if you've never tried one potato, there's a code above for 25% off your first box. So don't forget to share this video so that you can enter the giveaway, and you can tell more friends that live out west in our 8 states about one potato. So I'm gonna cool the chicken now, and then I can cool it and slice it. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Woo! But like I told you guys, don't forget, you can cook this chicken any way you want. We give you instructions. Woo! Wait a minute, it is hot. I don't want to burn myself. You guys would be mortified if I burn myself on Facebook Live. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at this. That is the way you cook chicken. Listen, look at that. Beautiful sizzle. And I used this organic Chinese chicken spice rub on it, so it gives it extra flavor. I'll let that cool, and then I put that chicken. I can slice it and do it on the side, or I can do it right on the chicken. So it depends if your kids want a little salad, a lot of salad. And these, for the kind of the pièce de la résistance, the final end, are organic spiced almonds. So you get all of this food, everything, even the free cookie dough, in your one potato box. And we sent 2 other meals this week that are all really fun, engaging, and just getting everybody involved in the cooking process. Do we have a winner for the cookbook?
Robin Verzi.
Robin Verzi, congratulations. Where would you want to go in California?
San Diego.
San Diego. I think that's a pretty, right now, I think that it's what Gabi said. She wanted to grab a margarita and head head to San Diego. You guys, we're here every Tuesday. We've been doing it at 3 o'clock Pacific time. Don't forget to tell your friends about One Potato. You can watch the video from KTLA that's on this page. I'd love for you to see it because KTLA was calling One Potato the greatest family-friendly meal delivery company, and we feel that way too. Have a great week. See you later.